You gotta do donuts, man.
Show 'em.
You didn't do the
All right. Oh, and there's no stop. I cut that shit off. So like basically like, you know, if you go a little too far past full throttle.
Oh, there is brakes, he means. There's just no, like, the gas
there's
won't
no
stop.
for the pedal. There's a stop. Well, this one doesn't.
Well, that doesn't really work, but
Yeah, I'm just saying like if you press the gas pedal too far, you'll just break that zip tie instead of like
You won't have any gas after that.
breaking the cart or whatever. Yeah. So, all right. It's armed. I would turn. There you go.
And barely push the gas a little bit. There you go. Keep going.
I can tell he's super nervous.
Yep. Go it down at this at an angle when you come out of here.
This is fine.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, this is nice.
At our house, we have to go down at an angle. And go do donuts across the street in their driveway, or in there. Be careful of this truck.
Do a burnout, Noah?
Do it.
That's the place. Yep.